So here you're creating for Facebook profile and pages. So daily wise, how much earning you get money through Facebook page? How to check your question? So I'm earning for so many videos. I got how much earning will be accept my Facebook page earnings. Remember, Facebook profile group not accept for the earning process. Only your brand page, your business page will accept by your earning purpose. Means your page is hosting for more videos, your 10,000 followers, 60,000 views, and by the base of your time. You can check by option call is facebook.com/creator/studio. The option call is facebook.com/creator/studio option. The URL will be always mandatory. facebook.com/creator/studio option. In this studio, you can select your home button. You can check your total earnings. You can check your total earnings. Last 7 days, how much your earnings? What is my insight? What is my engagement? What is my scheduled post? Everything will be checking for in this option. Engagement important, followers are important, everything important by your total option. Your earnings will be based on by the multiple groups or individual pairs also. So this one. Still now we are earning will be zero amount. How will we check? The based on this option. So this is called monetization will be enabled, but my earnings are zero. That is very important. So you are showing for monetization will be not eligible means you did not post anything, no engagement, nothing, response on your page. So that is called monetization will be not eligible. Eligible your monetization based on upload video and earning money through facebook.com/creator/studio option for checking for earning purpose. Here will be engagement will be showing for positive. Once reach your 10,000 followers, 60,000 views of 60 days of time, your earning will be started on your through Facebook page. The amount will be displayed on your estimated earning platform. That is called ad break earnings platform. So your earnings will be only for ad break. That is only for 5-second videos will display on the Facebook page. That mostly will ad will showing for mobile version ads. This is called you can check your earnings on Facebook page.